Hello, and welcome to another quick tutorial from InnEdCO. My name is Ben Wilkoff, and I'm your friendly presentations chair. I'd love to talk about the way in which we might use the InnEdCO 17 hashtag throughout the conference to share ideas, to share resources, and to generally collaborate across all of the amazing sessions and spaces that you are able to learn within up at InnEdCO. I want to talk about the different ways of interacting either using Twitter apps or within the InnEdCO app itself. But before we talk about that, I am recording this using a new feature of iOS 11 that has native screencasting and screen recording. And I will be talking about that a little bit, hopefully up at InnEdCO. I get really excited about this stuff, and hopefully you do too. But let's get to the heart of it. In a Twitter app, like the default Twitter app, which is how most folks are going to interact with it, all you have to do is search for the InnEdCO17 hashtag. When you do that, it's going to come up with the top tweets. These are probably the most used, the most retweeted, the most responded to tweets. But if you just want the latest stuff, what's happening right now, you can pull down to refresh at any point. But these are the latest tweets. You're going to see lots of different participants. You can also filter the information by photos or video and all that kind of different media components. And that's really great because if I only want to check out videos, then I can go directly to that. But let's say Twitter, the default Twitter app, is not the one that you use. You use Tweetbot or Twitterrific or something else. I find that there's a lot of value in being able to filter the information in more robust ways. So I'm searching inside of Tweetbot using the hashtag again here, and I can filter both by sort of the media side of things, the images, the videos, but I can also filter by links. And that's really great if somebody's sharing a link to their presentation or to a Google Doc or something like that. Then you can filter by those links and only get those robust resources that are being shared on a moment's notice. I can also filter out information. So if I tap on that filter icon again and I add a filter to exclude keywords, you might do that if you really don't care for a product or you don't want to engage in this particular conversation. You can filter those ideas out. So that's how you interact with the hashtag, sharing videos, pictures, all of those kinds of things if you have a Twitter account. But if you don't have a Twitter account, aren't interested in setting up one, you can still interact in this space just by using the InnEdCO 2017 app. When you open it up and scroll down on the homepage, you see all of the posts that have been made. You see them right here. And you can interact with them even if you do not have a Twitter account, even if you don't have a social media account of any kind. As long as you're logged into the app, you can tap into and like a particular piece of content or a resource, and I can comment on this without having to own an account. I can say, I'm ready, because that's the question that they are asking, and I'm just going to do this. So I really want to make use of the ability to post without having to have a Twitter account or any kind of social media account. But what's also great is that I can post directly to those accounts without leaving this app. I don't even have to install Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn, but I can post to all three just by typing in my message. This is awesome. And so I'm able to do that, and it automatically tags it with our hashtag InnEdCO17, and I can decide which of the social networks I want to post to, if it's only Facebook, if it's only LinkedIn, all of that kind of good stuff. I tap the save button if I want it to go out to those networks. I can also add a photo. Imagine taking photographs in the session. You can add those right here, or choosing a photo that you've already taken to add. I'm going to cancel out of that because I've already done some in-app testing and it posted directly to here with my information, meaning it's got my stuff directly within it. I'm from Aurora Public Schools, that's my day job, and I get really excited when people know who I am as a person, as an educator. and I can have that conversation about who I am, because I am posting, because I am sharing information. And in each one of these sessions, lots of people will be sharing that. So, how did this app know my information? The way that it knows that is if you tap on the More button and then you tap on the Settings button. You can see that there are social networks inside of here that I have set up: Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. If you want to add or edit the ones that you have, you can tap up in the top right corner and then press the plus button. It'll show you all three of them, and then essentially all you have to do is sign in. It's really super easy. I'm just going to take a quick screenshot because I want to annotate it a little bit. Essentially, all I need to do is make sure that I have access to my Twitter account, as well as the ability to sign in to each one of the services that I want. And all I really need is to know the hashtag, which once again is InnEdCO17. I'm really excited to learn with you and from you at InnEdCO 2017. Please do use the app to share your resources, to share your thinking, to collaborate with others. I'm really looking forward to the experience and to sharing it with each and every one of you. I hope you have a great day, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Talk to you soon.